As a business owner, we don't want to have any injuries, and somebody not coming home from work, somebody dying at work, is one of the things that really concerns me.
Andrew's business was in a place where he wanted to expand and grow, but he wanted to make sure that he protected his workers along the way. The WorkSafe OHS Essentials program is free, confidential, and you get an expert in the field helping you protect your people.
What we've realised is that our approach could be improved.
The challenges that they tend to face are forklifts, machinery, manual handling, dangerous goods storage and handling, those sorts of hazards. We conduct 3 visits through the program.
They're not here as an enforcement agency in this process, they're coaching.
We basically pick up risks and hazards that need to be addressed, and we put them in an OHS action plan, and we also give you support material in how to actually fix those things.
It brings you a lot of knowledge very quickly. They also have an understanding of the law, so they can point out what you might need to prioritise.
The relationship after the 3 visits are done is an ongoing one. You've always got a point of contact then. If something comes up, you can get on the phone and call the consultant that you dealt with and talk to them about what the issue might be.
The OHS Essentials program has been great for us. You save yourself an awful lot of time and money by engaging with people like this and resources like this up front.
The best advice I can give small business is apply for the program, because it'll give you clarity and it'll give you a sense of confidence that you've actually improved your workplace safety. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain.